Cheap Nails. How are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. And in this video, I have a nail design for you. It has summer stuff, it has summer colors. That doesn't make any sense, but let's get on to the video so you can understand. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to start by painting all of my nails white, and then I'm going to take some of this really nice orange eyeshadow, and I'm going to kind of just rub it gently on my nail before the nail polish is dry. You know when you kind of touch your nail and you get your fingerprint in it? That kind of before it's dry. And then I'm just going to gently rub it in, and I'm going to I noticed that when I was doing it, that the more eyeshadow I used, the darker it got. So that's a little fun fact. And now I'm going to put a top coat on it because I'm going to be stamping on it, and I have figured out that you cannot stamp on eyeshadow. You gotta definitely top coat it before you move on with your design. And now that they're all dried, the top coat's all dried, I'm going to take my Born Pretty BPX04 stamping plate in this nice orange design and some orange Born Pretty stamping polish. And I'm just going to cover half the design. And then after that, I'm going to gently scrape it away with my Born Pretty scraper and then pick it up with my jelly stamper. I just kind of gently doing kind of a rolling motion, and there it is on the stamper. And then I'm just going to put that on towards the end of my nail. And then I'm going to take the same stamping plate, and it has another orange design on it, and I'm going to cover just almost half of that image, and then I'm going to gently scrape it away and do the exact same thing as before. And I'm going to put this one towards the end of my nail also. I'm going to do the same design on all my other fingers. I'm just kind of using different parts of the same stamping plate because it has such wonderful images of oranges on it, and I just love this. I think it's perfect for summer. And I'm going to just take some orange striping tape now and put it right where the stamp ended, just to kind of cut it off, and then I'm going to kind of push it down, and then I'm going to take my nail clipper, my mini nail clipper, and I'm going to clip all the excess off of both sides, and then I'm going to just kind of push down both sides, and I'm going to do the exact same thing I did the exact same thing on all my other nails. Put the same strip and tape, and now I'm putting just a top coat to seal it all in so it doesn't go anywhere. And yeah, these nails are all done. I think they're perfect for summer. They're nice and orangey. This is the first time I used eyeshadow, and guys, you gotta try using eyeshadow on your nails because it's so fun and easy to do. I think it was awesome. Great, I love it. There we go, guys. That design is all done. Do you like it? Tell me what you think down below. And as of always, thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. I do nail designs, I do nail related things, nail stuff, cheaply. I don't know, if it interests you, subscribe. And also this honey, maybe, I don't know. I'm not going to tell you why there's honey here. My sister makes granola out of it. It's really good. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. 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 Bye, 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 goodbye.